We're gonna be.
Air support. Get to the hover ship. Blast those drop ships out of the sky.
To fly the hover ship, use the left analog stick.
Oh, R1's so much better.
X or L1 to ascend. Square or L2 to descend. Use the right analog stick to aim. Press circle or R1 to fire rockets.
Take care of the saucer, Sarge. Keep blasting those drop ships.
Let's go. I like how this was like a real like war. They did a really good job on that. Let's go then. Do a barrel roll. Oh, you don't even know. Let's go. What else? What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? What else we got? Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh. Yeah, playing Ratchet Clank. What up, King Vendrick? What's up, player? Yeah. So I'm gonna do as much as I can today, and then hopefully tomorrow we won't have any interruptions as well. It would have been perfect, man. We had a sexy sexy host from Sophia. I think her account is still in the channel, actually. I haven't checked. What you want? You got beef? There's one behind me, too. But we were down for like 2 or 3 hours, man. It was sad. We're getting a lot of good money for this. This is like really profitable. Holy shit. Pyrex, what's going on? How would I corner a Laz and Hank combo? I mean, you mean like counter? What you want to do, first of all, it depends on what monster you are. Each monster kind of does it its own way, but essentially you just want to kill one of them. Either you kill Hank, or you can kill Hank and then like wait for Laz to revive him, or kill anyone really and wait for Laz to revive him. Then kill Laz. Or if you know, if you're having trouble with it, just kill Hank first and then kill Hank and then like kill Hank and then kill Laz. Or because like you can always burst through Hank's shield no matter who's the medic. It doesn't really matter who the medic is. You can always burst through it. You just have to combo efficiently with the moves that you're selecting. So depending on your moves that you have, like that's how you're gonna break through the shield. So you shouldn't be just picking your moves off of like this is what I want to do. Oh my god.
We're still trying to figure out a way to get past it.
So you got to make sure that.
Man wants you to take the hover ship and wipe out the Noid forces in the surrounding areas.
So you gotta. That's kind of how you gotta be thinking. Like, what moves do I have? What stage are you trying to kill them at? Are you trying to kill them at stage 1, stage 2, stage 3? Because sometimes you can, if you don't feel like you have enough damage or you're not doing enough damage, you can just avoid fights until stage 3 and then go fight them. But obviously they're a little bit harder to kill, but you do have a lot more damage. Oh my god. Okay, I can shoot these things though with the ship. Oh, this feels so good. You can reach me. Boom, baby. Untouchable, unstoppable. Can I get health from these? If I go down? That's bullshit. Wolf, 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 wolf. Give me all that right in his face. Oh shit, oh shit. Dude, look at that crouching tiger hidden mortar, dude. I see you, player. I see you, player. Alright, we good, we good, we good money, we good money.
Anybody have any idea how we're supposed to shut down this force field?
Well, we need to hit 9,500, yeah, but we're really close to 10K followers. Double-digit thousands, baby. That's fucking crazy. That is crazy to think. That's what hard work is right there, ladies and gentlemen. I don't really care too much about my view count. When my view count gets up, all that means to me anyway is that I can possibly apply for partnership. And that's just to get you guys quality options. For you people that have not the best internet to watch on like mobile quality, or for the people that just want to lurk, but they want to watch some other streams because they hate the game that I'm playing. For the people that hate Evolve, and you just love me, but you hate Evolve, but you can't have 2 streams, you could just put it on mobile quality. Like, that would be the best thing ever. That's like the best thing about it. Double-digit thousands? 5 digits? No, like, fucking, well, we're in the thousands. 10,000 is just crazy. From barely having 1,000 for streaming for almost 2 years and not even getting up to 1,000. From like getting thousands or hundreds within days, man. It's completely, it's phenomenal. It's all thanks to you guys. It's not me. The Buck Rogers voice. It's all thanks to you guys. Like me, for a Saturday afternoon, me streaming, we should probably have like 60 people in here, and we would have had like 80. Well, 80 due to Sophia's hosting and rating us, and then Coach, if he was in the mind of Coach, would have hosted us today. We would have been in really good numbers. But to have 40 here today, after all the complications I had today, I don't even deserve 40. I expected like 20 the entire day for the rest of the night. That's what I was expecting. So to even see 40 right there on my dial is amazing. Regardless of how many people might be in here, it might be 20 or 30. I can't check. Well, I actually could check. I just don't choose to. All right, let's do this. I love you guys too. But that's what hard work is, man. Perseverance. And I told you guys yesterday, I was telling some people today. Today was the first day I went for a run in months, yo. Months. Months. Finally trying to get back in shape, man. I got enough room here. I think what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna set up the Wii Fit over here. I wanted to make it part of the stream, but I'm not smart enough as an architect, like a designer, to actually fit it properly. So I'm probably gonna just do it anyway. Like, stop making excuses and just put it to the side of my setup and just do it like in the morning, real quick. We fit, go, and bam. Hand Heart Gang. Just do it. Just start doing it, man. Getting that ass cracked. What? That's not what we were talking about? Pretty sure that's what we were talking about. Tuck Cannon! Give me all your kids! Oh, that's so... Oh god, it doesn't sound right at all. Oh, Jesus. Dude, what is going on today? Alright, let's go up here, kill everything. Oh god, this guy's a sharpshooter. Is that Aaron Black from Mortal Kombat? Wow, he killed his friend, dude. Friend. Woo!
Keep your eyes peeled.
Oh god, hold up. Homies. Me and the homies. Why fight you when you can fight for me? Yo, who's about that infector life though? What up, Chewbacca? What's going on? Happens when there explodes one day. What? Oh god, oh god. Oh, you see the shots? You see the shots? Oh god. That's what I do. Ratchet really hates crates. Just like Link hates grass. He wants that money. Oh, why the hell did it target that? Yes. Get in. There we go. Well, I can use it on boxes now? Oh, that aim, that aim. Ooh, that aim is terrible. Dude, can you not aim? Oh my god, I'm gonna die because he can't aim. Oh my god, I'm gonna die because he can't aim. Oh no. I'm gonna die because he can't aim. Oh my god. There has to be something. What if that works on that? I'm gonna try it out now though. Get aim up, motherfucker. Just please. Oh my god. I am so tight. I have to do that all over again now.
The noise are just about finished. Trust me, Sarge. This one's gonna be a cakewalk.
Oh my god. The chickens in Legend of Zelda? See, I never played Legend of Zelda. Why are they so strong? What makes them so strong? Wait, I have a mini turret gun. Or that. I don't know, I could have used a lot of stuff actually.
See, like I said, these noise don't have no problems. They have much. Run for your lives! Noise will need reinforcements right here.
The turret gun might have been able to take it out. You can actually chuck boxes, dude. Did not know you can chuck boxes. He should, dude. I couldn't aim quick enough. Like, to aim, you have to, like, you take damage. Like, you can't, like, quick shot it. It doesn't have auto lock. Hit him with the box, dude.
Keep your eyes peeled. The noise might be waiting for us at the next bridge.
Wow, I'm upgrading this crazy quick right now. And this looks like a weapon that'd be really good, the Spitting Hydra. Especially if you can target more things at the same time. So remember on Gameway, you piss them off, they attack you. Like, how good is the attack though? Like, is it like that crazy?
Move in and wipe them out.
Yep, look at that. I officially suck. I officially suck.
Mission accomplished. We are now in complete control of Cabo Island.
I could have just whipped that out, dude. I could have just whipped that out. I'm bad. I'm bad. The definition. The definition. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. 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 Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Alright, so we took over the island. What's next? What could possibly go wrong? I know I'm stacked with mad paper. I think I have to go back to the Phoenix now. Sure, yeah, return to the Phoenix. Optional, optional. Optional. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm thugging it. I cannot see. Wait.
I'm legally blind. I can see barely.
There you go. I still have that. I was supposed to take that off my soundboard so long ago because of how low it is. It's dramatically lower than everything else. I'm legally blind. P.O.P. holding it down. Sir Cucumber, what's going on? Why am I here at McDonald's? Because you're hypnosed into thinking everything is McDonald's. When in reality, you're in a deep hypnosis, stuck on a space station waiting for Captain Quark. I don't fucking know. Alright, let's do this.
It was the biggest Tyrannoid you've ever seen. Big as a Star Cruiser and packing twice as much firepower. There was no escape. He was coming right at me. Closer, closer. Oh, what am I gonna do, right? Closer, even closer. Click, click. My blaster jammed.
That never happened.
No way. What happened next?
Yes, go on. We're all riveted.
So, this is the mighty Q-Force I've heard so much about. Pathetic! I could obliterate the lot of you, and they wouldn't even mention it in Supervillain Weekly.
True, sir, but you'll have done the fashion world an enormous service.
And as for you, Agent
The butler is so funny.
I have far grander plans for you. All right, Lawrence, you can turn it off now.
Oh, may I, sir? What a treat.
I love their humor.
Ow,
It's so
come
good.
Yellow.
Someone just transmitted a hologram onto the ship. I need to know where the signal came from.
Let's see. Backtracing the signal. Six-path alpha key encryption. Amateurs. I got it. It came from a facility on planet Dax. Accessing their computer files.
Dax?
Aha! I found something suspicious. Patching it through now.
Here we go.
Tonight, we take a journey inside the enigmatic mind of our galaxy's foremost evil genius, Dr. Nefarious. We'll take a tour
music,
of this
though.
secret facility on planet Dax, home to some of the galaxy's most insidious superweapons, including the dreaded Rainbow Afrolyzer.
The Rainbow
Dr. Nefarious,
Afrolyzer.
we've all enjoyed
What?
your past work, but how do you respond to critics who say your latest galactic schemes are just more of the same?
I will annihilate them!
Lawrence, tell us a bit about this top-secret superweapon being constructed on planet Dax.
Well, super is such a strong word. For that matter, weapon may be a tad overdoing it. We do, however, have a lovely view of the ocean at sunset.
Is Dr. Nefarious poised on the brink of galactic domination, or is this super weapon just the latest in a series of maniacal pipe dreams? Stay tuned for more from Supervillain Weekly.
So stupid.
Whatever Nefarious is doing on Dax, it can't be good.
We'll check it out.
You're welcome.
The Hank Laz combo is too good. I got Hank down, but Laz revives him. Yeah, then you kill Hank. Then you can kill him. If you can't get, if you're not getting past Hank's shield, you probably need to work on your combos. Hank's shield, you can like burn it the fuck out. Like really, really hard. Uh-oh.
You've come back to disgrace my training course once again, hmm?
Actually, we were hoping we could just pick up the gadgets and split.
We have a spaceship to catch.
Ha! You slackers are always looking for the easy way out. Then you can pass the course, you can have the device.
Alright, let's see what we got. Our VR training, warm up. Getting no prizes for this?
Those platforms can be activated with the Hypershot. The green on the Hypershot target.
Oh, I
Press
remember
and
they
hold circle.
fused them.
That hacker is used to crack.
Press square to collect the green code snippets.
What?
Press circle to destroy the red defense programs. The blue defenses are indestructible.
I'm confused. But you gotta work on your combos, bro. There's no reason for you to have to deal with, or it should be. Oh god. I remember this. This is like the easiest hacking you'll ever have to do. Hurry up, son. Oops, I go too quick. This is amazing. I gotta go, guys. I'm tired. Force, don't worry, baby. We'll be finishing more of the game tomorrow. I'm definitely not gonna finish it tonight. I know that. Definitely not doing that tonight. That sucks. I ready after a while. Oh fuck. There's multiple levels. Jesus. So annoying. That noise is weird. What the f—
Woo! That was okay, I guess.
Do I really have to— oh fuck.
The green object is a hypershot target.
Okay, I don't have to do these again though. Awesome. Jesus, man. I don't even know what time it is. What time is it?
That was okay, I guess.
Jesus. Alright, last one. Bum, 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 bum. Give me that nectar, baby. Forgot what happens if a red comes all the way up to you. What actually happens? Okay, it's 12. Okay. Thank you. Oh shit. We in the building. This is even my final form. I'll have you know, my power level is 900 and a lot. Alright, boom. You have to start the entire thing over? Terrible.
That was pathetic.
All right. ready, we'll just take those gadgets and be on our way.
We out.
Yeah, the little man is cocky now. Maybe you'd like to meet Helga on the wrestling mat, hmm? You'll see how cocky you are, twisted up like a wet noodle.
Maybe next time.
Pansies.
Alright, what else we got here? Warm up. Find a gadget and test dummies in a simulated battle arena. Alright, what else do we have to level up here? More of that. Minute. Butterboat. The Walloper's on deck. This is definitely like something that you would use. You'd use something like this for whatchamacallit. Why would it give me ammo? That's weird. Oh, look at all that money. Brush. Don't look down. Watch out for the disappearing floors. What the hell is this? This mad doo-doo. I'll let my turret gun just do all the work. That's giving me ammo. Buckets. I guess I was supposed to do this earlier. It is how you play Bucket and Evolve. You just back up here. Oh, okay. Well, I actually got hit. Oh, they don't even sweat it, yo. They just fly right over the gaps. She sat on him and he'd be dead, probably. Without any hesitation, either. Probably suck these guys up, too. Oh, I can't? That sucks. Beat around, destroy all the dummies before the time runs out. These are like super... Either I'm progressing through the game way too fast, or like these are just really easy. I know I should have probably have done this earlier. Almost. There we go. Hot Stepper, Shock Blaster, which is completely broken at the moment, so that's easy. Some trauma with the floor disappearing, yeah. I'll be honest, I never saw the actual movie Tron, even though I really wanted to. Like the one where Daft Punk did the OSC. He's not a movie-going guy. Well, I charged that up and then I didn't even hit anything. Woof, woof. Here comes the hot step up murder. The first one was so epic. First one. There are more?